got deleted. The last video I did, it was a disaster. If anybody's familiar with OBS Studio, I lost the whole setup. I was losing everything. And then when I finally got live, nobody came to see me. But that's okay. As long as it's on the replay, you can catch me. So I was just very disappointed. And then after all the video was gone, I just seen that 30 of my videos got deleted. So go figure. I think it was me, but the computer's just doing weird things today. Just weird. So I lost today's video. That was one of the 30. So I'm just going to do another one just to see if everything is kind of working and, you know, we can talk again. And I'm basically going to say the same things I said in the other video, even though I did like the other video. You know, we talked about some of the stocks that was moving. Hey, babes, I'm back up. I figured this would give me just to see if it's working. Very disappointed in what happened. So, you know, I'm boosted now, you know. All right, so here we go, man. I don't want to bore everybody. This will be quick. So it's June. What is it? It's June 9th, 4:20. So the market closed. Today's Tuesday, and the Dow's down 300. SP down 25. Nasdaq just ripping, man. Thanks to Amazon, Tesla. Actually, I think Tesla was down, but some of the tech stocks, Apple, Russell was down. This disparity here is just weird. So it's like people's jumping back out of the junk into the good stuff, like the FANG Plus, let's call it. The VIX up 6.82%, and that's one thing that I was worried about today, yesterday, and the day before is this rise in VIX. So if I pull up the hourly chart, you can see what's happening here. We're not going down no more. Look at the 9-day. Look at this blue. Go ahead and get rid of that. Right? You got the crossover, and it's step. It looks like tomorrow will be up, you know. So that's concerning, you know. Something to keep an eye on. You know, I'm glad I got out yesterday. I'm glad I limited my positions. You know, if y'all know, I was in Delta. I had a big position. Delta's down 8%. I got rid of it yesterday. I was in Boeing. Boeing down 6%. I got rid of it yesterday. I was in Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat down 5%. I got rid of it yesterday. Although I missed the run, so I was a little disappointed in that. What else was that? Let me check out Walmart. Hey, Mary. Yeah, man, Mary. I lost all my videos. I lost today's videos in the last 30, so I'm just trying another video. See if it works. I'm gonna talk about the same exact things. Yeah, I'm just having problems over here. Even after that video, it's just crazy. I don't know. It's like there's a ghost in the machine. Hate to say that word because then I gotta go to bed. All right, it's not a ghost, but the machine is just acting up. So I'm going over, doing another live for today to see what goes on. And also, when I do these lives, it appears to me on my side that they don't actually go live for the replay until something like 4 or 5 in the morning. I don't know. So it's just weird. Anybody watching this, put the time down in the comments on the replay. If you're watching the replay, put the time down in the comments that you actually see in this video. Just put like 7:15 p.m. That's it. And that'll really help me out. But yeah, it's all right. Because generally my videos don't, this is timing stuff, right? It needs to be watched today. So generally the video, like I'll make this video, people watch it tonight, and then tomorrow, kind of once I drop the new video, nobody watches it no more. So it was no big deal in that part. But what is a big deal is some of the calls I've been making, like buy Facebook, Tesla, what I'm buying, I should say. And, they've been pretty correct, pretty spot on. Now I can't go back and say, see, I told you, because they're gone. So I'm bummed out on that. I can't go back and track my progress because it helps me too. You don't know how many times I go back and just kind of scroll through my thumbnails. And the title, I can kind of see what I was doing. And then I can even go back and check it. It's like a video vlog for myself, so that's one of the reasons why I started this channel talking about this. Instead of like a trading journal or, some kind of diary or spreadsheets, I got it right here. I got everything I've done right here. I can just watch the video. Go back to that date. What was I thinking, right? And I go over the charts of the stocks that I'm in, So, yeah, that's it. So here's Walmart. We up 11 cents. Remember, I was in this. I got out of that as well. I can't remember the rest of the trades. That's true. Jonathan's lives don't post. Yeah. I'm glad you told me that. What's up with that? You know, I need these kind of videos. Like if I was doing photography videos, trucking, fine. If it posts tomorrow, it's fine. It lives forever, those kind of videos. But, you know, if I'm talking about Facebook today and it's up $8 and tomorrow it's down $7, what's today's video got to do with tomorrow? You know, it's a new day. So I don't know if I should email them or I guess, I don't know. But I don't know what's going on with YouTube. And the whole thing sucks now. The whole creators studio, it's garbage. It's just garbage. And that's why I'm using actually Restream now as well, just trying to get me away from that. So something changed, but these vids, yeah, they used to post, you do a live and then it'll process afterwards and it would take maybe 10, 15 minutes to go live again for the replays. Now it don't go live after this. This won't go live until about 4 or 5 in the morning, according to my screens. I don't know if people can see. And then I get views. I start to get views the next day when it's the new market. It's like, no, I need it to be early. I need it to be today. Very disappointed, man. I'm just having a bad day. So here's where I finished, up 1,060. So it was about the same all day. It was a good day, and I'm long Facebook. I'm short SPX, which I made 105. But one of these positions I'm uncomfortable with. This one, this I sold the 3,300 call, bought the 3,325 call. So $2,500 risk minus my credit received, which wasn't much. Was the trade price basically $220? So it was about 10%. But look what I let it go to. I'm down $540. I'll let that go too long. I need to get out, but I'm holding on. I'm holding on to it because the VIX is actually rising. So maybe I may be right, and I might be able to close that trade for a winner. If we get another big day or whatever, I'll probably just go ahead and close it and just take the loss. What's going on? That's the SPX. This the hourly? Okay. Let me see what's going on here. I don't know. Maybe it gets flattened out. I'm just nervous. I'm nervous about the as we reopen the economy, the virus is ticking up, right? The cases are starting to creep up. I'm nervous about school. School starts in August for a lot of people. I'm nervous about, if soon these schools got to make a decision. Are they going to be open or closed? And maybe they're going to say, we close. I'm worried about that. Then the whole daycare thing. So I'm worried about that. I'm worried about sports opening and somebody at the stadium, we find out that was a bad idea. One of the players gets it. I'm worried about that. I'm worried about that relapse back into, here we go again. Because things are not the same as when we was at the high to now. That's a fact. So something is not right. I'm just not along with the ride. And I'm willing to say, like I said in yesterday's video, which is gone, I'm willing to say, all right, I missed it. I really am. But I'm not willing to say like I missed Amazon stock today. Incredible. Look at that breakout, right? Y'all know I made so much money in this stock. It's unbelievable. I missed this breakout. I missed this one. I think I caught some of this one or this one. No, I caught this one. Remember this one right here? See that candle? I ended the video and I said, I got to go. I got to make a trade, if you don't remember that. But that video's gone as well. And I got long Amazon after that candle right there. It was like a reversal. So, I closed the position today. I actually made some money on it today, but not nowhere near what I could make. Generally, my positions are huge on this stock, right? So, very disappointed that I missed it, but that's okay. That's okay because I made money today. So Tesla is breaking out as well. You see what's happening here. Even though it's down $9 today, a little disappointed with today's action, especially since the NASDAQ was ripping. Hey, Guilty. Hey, man, you checked me out on Twitch. I think it's the first time I said your name. I hope I didn't jack it up. So I'm just talking about the stock market and how I lost 30 in my last videos. Sorry, I didn't even know anybody was in here. Mary, you said we will have another relapse until there's a vaccine shot pill. I think so. and people are just giddy. They giddy. You know, when you have bankrupt Hertz catching the bid today, you see it kind of went down 25% today. They was talking all day on CNBC how people is trading garbage. This is what my video was about. That's now deleted. People's trading garbage. You could trade anything. You know, I could trade you this. If you want to buy it for $10, there you go. But it's worthless. It's garbage, right? So that's what's happening with Hertz. Most likely these shares will be worthless and the stock will be wiped out and won't be trading no more. So be careful. Don't be trying to hold it for a position. You can trade it. You can trade anything. But don't hold it for a position. I think a lot of people realize that today. It's down 25%. I thought about putting on a short, because it's going to go back to 70. You know, Carl Icahn was the biggest holder, 36%. And he sold all his shares, 55.3 million shares at 72 cents. Now, I'm sure he has a clue of what's going on with the company, okay? So just kind of keep that in mind. It's trading this, which is garbage. Okay, so if you want to buy that, you go ahead, but you can trade anything. Just be careful. Yeah, so I'm on Twitter. People's on Twitter. Everybody's posting these screenshots, including me. Oh, look how much money I made. Look how, and it's just crazy. Everybody's making it's not like it's so one-sided. I'm just afraid now that we're back at the top. We're right. Matter of fact, the market, I think today brought it back down, but before today, the SPY was up for the year. We can pull that up here. Let's pull up the 4 hours so we can zoom in, right? Where did the year start? Oh, I'm way away. Oh, right here. Duh, it says 2019. So this is where we opened, right? So if I draw that line all the way over. Well, there it is. Let's get there. See, we're right there. We're right where we opened for the year. And I think we went below it today. So we was basically up for the year. So what's going on? Well, we got election. Well, we got some riots. We got protesting. Well, we got a pandemic. Oh yeah, there's 33 million people not working. Unemployment rate's 13%. Oh, yeah. Wait. The Fed increased his balance sheet by $7 trillion. I mean, nobody cares. So you see what I'm saying? It's just not the same. Oh, well, what about air travel? Well, there's about, 85% of the planes are not flying. 85% of the passenger traffic's down. Hotels kind of hanging on string. Oh, there's bankruptcies. I forgot about that. So yeah, it's just too much going on out there. And now that we're here again, I just want to take a chill. Although I think we are going higher. I do think that. I was like cautious of this candle because it could be like an exhaustion type candle. Maybe we didn't quite get the volume for that. This is the week. Yeah, we didn't quite get the volume for that, but I'm just kind of checking this candle out. I want to see what happens here. Notice we're struggling. So I still think we're going higher. And I just wanted to, trim my positions. I got 3. I got Facebook. I'm on Facebook, which was great today. I'm on Tesla, which was down, but I sold puts at 800. Okay, as long as this thing kind of hangs up, elevated, I think I should be all right. But, this thing can move down. I've already lost a lot of money on that stock. And I'm short the SPX a little bit. See, and this was already, I was short a long time ago, a few days ago. And you see, I'm down 565 for that position. But today I made a little bit of that back. So let's see if I can make some more back. The data. You can see, this is all the data trades. I don't buy options, I sell them. So therefore I get money as they decay. If you add up all these positions, I'm getting about $80 a day just to sell them, Yeah, okay. Oh, Mr. JRH, I totally missed your comment, man. You said you caught Tesla on the dips and got out today. Good. Well, you caught Tesla on the dip. Oh, you mean earlier, I guess. You're talking about the dip, not today, but a little earlier. I know you didn't catch it down here. I don't know. I don't know which dip. Was it this one? But I've been talking about this for a while, and remember I said I was never going to trade that again, ever. But the stock was looking juicy. I had to get back in, So, and I've been making money. It's struggling right here. I think we're going to challenge this sometime this week. This 968. We are right there. We hit the high at 950 today. So, and they'll probably pull back. It might hang out. The reaction there will be interesting. Will it do one of these numbers with this gray area and just kind of come back down? Or will it hang out? And if it hangs out, starts going sideways, it's gonna blast off, right? It's gonna blast off. You said, Jack, you said you've been so hot. I bought Solo? Never heard of that. Last week, and all EVs went crazy. Oh, okay, electronic. No, I never heard of this one. Yeah, but I guess you caught, and you're trading. I think this is cool. Which is, I don't really trade this way, but yeah, look at that run. You said you caught that. You bought it last week. Yeah. Did you get out? Because I don't. What actually it was up today. All right. Yeah. See, I'm not kind of in tune to this. I don't even know what this is. What is this? You're gonna have to explain it to me. Electric Mania Vehicles Corp. And is this a real company? Or did this come from the pennies and, it's just kind of getting action because of the title? Which I don't trade penny stocks. I generally trade the big stocks, high dollar price stocks to get, so when I sell puts and calls, I get some meat on that bone, and then I can kind of get out with nickel here, nickel there, You said $1.31. I'm not out. Wow. Nice, man. Hey, I hope you sold a little bit. Right? I mean, you already caught a double. Yes. Wait a minute. 130. Move to. Yeah, you caught a double. I hope you sold a little bit. And just kind of let the rest ride. But hey, this could be a good trade. Look what happened here. Keep an eye out for that. See how volumes just, yeah. I'm not good with these, like I said, with these pennies. And I'll call it that, but volume is ticking back in. Last time volume came in, it looks like it lasted for just a month. So maybe you might get a month run here, and then it kind of came back. Actually, it held its value a little bit. It actually kind of held all year, I guess. I don't know. I'm not. Yeah, I don't know about this one. See, the volume disappears here. What's going on there? Yeah, I like the S&P 500 stocks for the most part, and the NASDAQ kind of stocks. So let's look at NVIDIA. Is up. This is what oh man, that's so beautiful. See, this is what I like. Jack. See that, man? This is getting ready to blow. This is getting ready to blow just like Amazon and Facebook. You came up, and now you consolidating sideways. As long as the market can hold up, this one is going to blast off. So I might have to put something on here. This is the weekly, I'm liking that. But I'm afraid, because, the market can bring down this. It could totally mess up this trade, like whatever happened here. See that candle? It's like, and then it came right back. That's a sign. That's a sign that it's good. Hey, Chopper on Twitch. Give me that S&P. Oh, hell yeah. Go in the video, right? Look at that. That's a beautiful chart right there. That chart's ready to do something. Yeah, so let's keep an eye on that one. I'm going to have to do something with that. Maybe I'll sell some small spreads below it. But I don't like that move right there. I don't know what happened. That thing just kind of, they sold it off hard from 365 to 320. I don't know why. That was a perfect time to get back in. Look how it just came back, hit that support, and that's what you want to see. I don't know. See, I need to pull this stock up more often. You get the breakout, right? It runs. You don't necessarily want to buy it here. You want to buy it on that pullback to the breakout, and you got it in this stock. That's the buy point. and then it takes off. Now, you can try to buy here because some stocks don't pull back. They don't all do that. But that's optimal right there. It's beautiful, right? It just takes out all the fake people out, and then boom, it goes. Leaves without them. You said that they think they have fantastic earnings too. I kind of don't remember. It says here $1.80, $1.80, and the estimate was $1.35. Looking at the daily, okay, it was after the bell. So the next day, yeah, it was all right. It didn't kind of beat the day before, but then look what happened. So I don't know what happened here. I can't remember. I wonder did the stock market do that? Let's pull up the Qs. Yeah, I don't know. That was in the video. I don't know. So they got some news. Something happened. Oh, shoot. Because look, the stock market was up. I think here's right? Why did that go down like that? Jack. Chewy. I had some... Chewy, we pick up at Chewy. We have a Chewy plant over here. And ever since the virus, they increased their shipments like by double. And I was like, okay, is Chewy popping right now? And I think they are. Not necessarily because I think COVID got them popping, but they might pop forever. There's really, only thing that scares me about this is Amazon, the whole Amazon thing. I don't think they do anything specific that Amazon can't do tomorrow. So that's what scares me about Chewy in the long-term position. If you're already Prime, matter of fact, they can even buy Chewy and just kind of own that. You know what I mean? But they can compete with them if they want to get into the the pet thing. So that kind of scares me with them. But they're people are discovering them, in my opinion, and I think the stability, now it can run. You know what I mean? Because especially after the virus. So, but that's my thing. Yeah, I seen with my own eyes shipments increase, but then again, everything was increasing. So I don't know if that was like any good information. Everybody was doubling and tripling, and so here's the earnings. They still don't make money. So keep an eye. Remember that they're not making money yet. Yeah. Anyway. Valuation isn't so extreme. I don't know, Jack. They ain't making money, so they haven't made money since, so they had an estimate of negative 10 cents a share, and they came in at negative 12 cents a share. Now it ran. When did this earnings came out? So they must have said something positive. It looks like it came out. Oh, it came out today after the bell? So is this in the aftermarket? Yeah, I guess so. Chewy fiscal quarter one loss widens, revenues rise. Okay, so they bringing in the cash, but somehow they're spending it. I do like companies with rising revenues because you always figure maybe they could fix that bottom line, But I don't know. The market's not liking it here because it closed at 51.61. 51.51, and now it's at 50. So, look into those earnings if you want to own it, see what's going on there. But just remember, they Chewy quarter one loss, $47.9 million. I mean, they losing money. Revenues are rising, but they still losing money. So be careful. It's still going up. I mean, I don't know. Everything's going up, though. That's the thing. That's what scares me. Gross profit. Yeah, I gotta look it up. I don't kind of follow that, but it's not getting hit hard. It's not, just $1.50. That's not bad. I mean, it was up 2.7, so it didn't give up all its gains today. So that's a sign that hey, we'll see what happens tomorrow. But yeah, I gotta read that, kind of see what's going on. I have no idea what's going on with them. I just kind of look down here and say, oh, negative, 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 negative. When are they gonna turn positive? By the way, I got one stock in my portfolio, the buy and hold one, and that's Carvana, that does not make money, and and you can see what happens. So maybe Chewy will be one of these. And I'm only got and it's a small position, and it's because I tried them out and I liked it. I liked it a lot. I didn't actually buy the car. I canceled, easy cancellation. Canceled a few days before it was going to come. Piece of cake. Because I found a better deal. That's all. That's the only reason why. And a better local deal. So I just canceled it. But smooth. Like it a lot. And it's the only stock I own that. And it's the same thing. Revenues, they're making money, but they can't seem to get I'm not good with this balance sheet stuff. They can't seem to get their expenses in line, to make money. Even though they're bringing in the money, but they're spending a lot of money as well. You in this Carvana. I'm telling you, Mary, in your next car, check them out. That's all I'm going to say. Check them out. Tell them Dre sent you. Yeah, like they know me. Anyway, check them out, man. I bring it up because it's the only stock that I own. I always say if you're going to buy and hold something, remember you could trade anything. If you're going to buy and hold something, make sure it makes money. That's my little thing, right? I want it to make money. But this one's going up and it makes no money. But then again, everything is going up, so he was gonna slap on the Carvana because the premium was so good. Yeah, I don't think these options are liquid though, are they? Because I think that's the reason why I don't trade them. Look at there's no $9.50. Look at that $1.40. I know the market's closed. Here $1.20 wide, $1.10 right here. Here at the money is $1.40. That's a little wide. This one is the $1.40. Yeah, I don't really like that just because it's not liquid like that. So if you make a mistake, it's going to cost you about $80 to get in per spread. And then if you just try to reverse that, it's going to basically be like another $80 to get out. So that's why I kind of try to stay away from them. When I first started, I think I bought a covered call with them, like a diagonal. And I knew that I was going to lose money on the spread. But I think it was profitable. I can't remember. It was way back. Yeah, I think it was way back here, like when it was like $50. I think in this area. Yeah, I think it ran and it came back. I think this was the area. Or maybe it was this one. And I forgot what happened. Oh, man. It ran and it came up. It was one of those days it was up like $8 and then came right back down at the end of the day and I got out. So, and then I just got a small piece in the portfolio, and I do want to hold on to the stock because I think that we all hate car dealerships, right? That car dealers suck, and we all online, so bring the car to us, easy, and it really works. So that's why I like them for the future. I really think it's in line with just the new way of doing it. Bring it to me. And then, when the car comes, you can look it over and be like, I don't want it. And they go away with it. Done. You're done. So you can't beat that. I think that's why they don't make money. I don't know. All right, enough about Carvana. You said it, Jack, so the paper says, but they are eating. So, at Jack, so the paper says, but they are eating. I kind of don't get it. Well, the Uber losses, so. Well, Uber loses so much money. Yeah, dude, remember they lost $5 billion a quarter. I don't like any of them. Mine was down. Look at, I don't know. I mean, they scammed us getting in here with the IPO, and it was almost like a pump and dump, if you ask me, when they came out, and it just was. Well, I forgot what the IPO was. I think it was 50. And it opened at 45, something like that, and it hasn't even been there yet. I don't like it. Same with Lyft. Lyft was a real, to me, almost pump and dump. I think it IPO'd at, actually I think this IPO'd, I can't remember, 80. I think it went up and then just went down. It's still down here. It just can't catch no traction. And they was telling everybody to buy and hitting the real, I'm buying more. Yeah, right. And they was selling it as soon as they get, Anyway, I don't know. I don't like neither of them. But Uber was losing like 5 billion every 3 months or something like that. That's crazy. I don't know what this one total pump and dump on the IPO is crazy, right? I mean, both of them. I'm like, but and they was pumping it up. Well, I listen to a lot of CNBC. They was just pumping the stock. I'm buying it. Everybody go, oh yeah, it's down. This is great news. I'm buying more. I'm selling this and to buy that. And look, yeah, right. Sure you was. If they was, the stock would be up. Now it's, I'm not liking it. I don't know if it's the. I mean, let's be realistic. It's a cab, and the cabs are not the future. Cabs are not the future. Nobody just wants to, I'm taking a cab. It's expensive too. It's cheaper than a cab, but it's still expensive. It's crazy. So no, it's not the future. We're not going to be riding cabs. Why would we be backtracking? I mean, cabs was like a 70s thing. And now we're going to go back to cabs. That's all it is a cab that you call on your phone, that you touch when you don't have to call nobody. I don't go in here, right? That's it. But they make it act like it's some special deal. It's a cab. Anyway, all right. Then it dropped to 20. Yes, indeed. I mean, so I'm not excited about the cabs, okay? Anyway, I realized they were making ridiculous money when they politely got into freight broken. Yeah, what you're talking about, you're talking to Jack, okay? Talk to Jack. I'm trying to think. I think you're talking about Amazon, right? When they went to freight brokering, and they did that quiet, like it was like on the low. It's like you didn't really know they was doing it. You hear they got their own trucks now, not trailers, their own trucks, and they got Amazon driving trucks. If you're talking about Amazon, I don't know how much they paying those guys, but these guys are taking over. They're taking over. Are you talking about Uber? Oh yeah, that's right, Uber Freight. Yeah. But Amazon got Amazon freight brokerage too. It's not like, I don't think it's like Uber Freight, but they're doing something with the brokerage industry. Anyway, and that's what makes Uber a kind of, they got their hands in a lot of things, but you know what? I think it could be, it almost seems like their hands might be in too many pots. I don't know. It looks better than Lyft, I guess, right now. So, and that's probably because of the other businesses, and maybe the Uber Eats, since that's kind of got hot. But if the virus goes away, Uber Eats is going to become a knot again. I don't want to order a $7.99 Big Mac and pay $15 for it. If it's free, okay. But if it's, I don't need it. And it's just, I don't know. I guess people are doing it, but no. We did it when we had to do it because of the virus. But if you don't have to do it, I don't think. Why are we going to pay that upcharge? I don't know how these companies are getting over with that. He said Adam owns us. It's true indeed, man. True indeed. All right. So what else am I talking about? Yeah. So I'm glad I got out. Maybe I don't know if I was gonna say, I don't know if I called the top. I'm not saying it's the top. I just had to get out of some of those positions. It was bothering me, all of them. So I made money today. I would have been down a lot if I didn't do that. So I'm glad I made that decision. It was perfect timing. But just be careful because the VIX is rising. All right, that fear gauge has been going up for the last 3 days. That's not a good chart to look at. There it is. It's been going up. So be careful. Something's about to drop. When that happens, next thing you know, we have a huge down day. Generally it doesn't rise like 3 days in a row and nothing happens. It just goes back down again. Like something is about to pop. So be careful. Some of them are saying the Robin Hood. It's the Robin Hood. It's the me and you. Buying the market, and professionals are watching or selling us their shares or whatever. But you see what happened to the junk today. The COVID stocks, they kind of got hit. They was running for the last week or so. Now they got hit today. How long is that hit going to take? And then you see Amazon and Tesla and Apple running. So it could be to trade back into those stocks. So be careful. Here's Apple up 3%. Apple. Look at that. Just all new time high. Like I said, so what? There's 33 million people that don't have a job that's maybe going to buy the next iPhone. I don't know. It's just crazy. I don't know. I don't understand. So in the other video, I'll talk about it real quick. You know, the Fed's dropping a bunch of millions and trillions, right? Trillions, helicopter money, you know, everything. They're buying bonds, but it doesn't matter even what they're buying, but money's being printed and thrown out there. And, you know, they say the richest people generally, the money all flows to them, right? It's going to flow to Bezos and Elon Musk and Warren Buffett. And, you know, it goes all back to the rich people. Even though we got a little 1,200, we spend it, buying on that. All that money, the path is right back to them in their fat pockets. That's why their pockets are so fat. It just finds its way back to them. Back to the richest people, you know. Just looking at that, Berkshire kind of ain't been participating. This is my first time ever bringing them up. Wow. Okay, so my theory is to buy the stocks of the rich people. You know, like, and maybe, you know, Amazon, maybe, you know, Bezos will be the first trillionaire, and, you know, all them rich people. I don't know how much Satya Nadella has from Microsoft. I don't know how rich he is, but he's probably got some money. Anyway, you get my point. Anyway, so Jack, then it drops to 20. I kind of miss Uber. Amazon owns us. Okay, so I got all the comments. Yeah, I just came on here telling you I lost all my videos. Looking at this, it's almost cup and handle-ish. It's just, yeah, that might break. I don't know. It's right at the top. I don't know what it's gonna do here. Anyway, yeah, I lost 30 videos, so I was pissed. I'm just having all kinds of technical problems today, so I was like, I'm gonna drop another video, just kind of analyze stuff, see what's going on, see if it deletes by itself, because I swear I didn't push anything, and see what time it comes online. So like I said, if you're watching this in the replay, please comment. Just comment the time that you saw it. That'll help me out. And see what's going on from there. And I'll get back on tomorrow. Yeah, there I am. I had a good day. So that's good. The market was down. I had a good day. And the other two accounts I always show on stories, I think it made like $30, $50. It was flat. That's rare. It's usually up or down hundreds or so, but it's flat. So I'll take it. I'll take that day, you know. Well, anytime the market's down and I'm up, I'll take it. All right, so thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate everyone to check me out. Chopper, Mary, Jack, JRH. And if you're still watching me on Twitch, Gulpy, he's one of the first people in here. Thanks for watching, man. Yeah, I think I caught everybody's comment. Later, Chopper. Later, dude. All right, y'all.